I thought I might actually start walking you through what I'm doing with my self-sufficient property. We'll see how we go. But I used to have this little self-sufficient garden just with random seeds, tomatoes, beetroot, potatoes, all of the stuff, that kind of stuff, just chucked into a couple of garden beds, as you can see behind me here. And today I'm actually transferring the dirt into another garden bed, so we'll see what we find as we go. Just finished clearing the garden bed out behind me here, and the potatoes that I put in just by random, we've got out of the garden. So we didn't end up with big ones, obviously, because my potatoes ended up dying off when we had a natural fire come through. But we didn't do too bad. We've got a couple of solid ones. Overall, considering I haven't taken care of them, done anything with them really, other than put them in, they've really done well. So hope you've enjoyed the venture today. Nothing major, just pulling out a little bit of potatoes, enjoying the day while it's nice and overcast, as you can see. So that's what we've managed to get out of the potatoes that we haven't maintained, taken care of, anything like that. Thanks for joining me today, and we'll see you soon.